Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Bang & Olufsen BEOSOUND THEATRE soundbar speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this device not connecting to your phone or to your television or to your other device, or if it's not syncing or pairing with the app or with Bluetooth, or any kind of issues like that where it's not working right, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Also, if you're setting it up on a new device, in a new room, on a new network, etc., and you just want to get a fresh start like you're setting it up new, we can go ahead and do this quite easily. All we need to do is come in here with power to it. We're just going to come and press and hold the next and back arrows simultaneously for 8 seconds. Once we hold those forward and back arrows for 8 seconds, it will trigger the factory reset. It takes about a minute for it to go into it, and then once that happens, when it comes back on, you can go ahead and set this up as a new device.